This guide distills the current market trends, material selection consequences, and the lesser-known physical factors that determine your final estimate, helping you move past sticker shock toward an informed investment. By mastering these elements, you are prepared to vet contractors rigorously and navigate insurance claims confidently, ensuring durability against Illinois' severe weather patterns. Review the foundational pricing metrics now to build a budget that truly reflects quality and longevity. Because Illinois experiences the full range of Midwest weather, from humid summers to ice-heavy winters, your roof works harder here than in many other parts of the country. Understanding the local market is the first step in planning your investment. The current state of the Illinois roofing market. Navigating the roofing landscape in Illinois requires an understanding of both local demand and broader industry trends. According to the National Roofing Contractors Association, NRCA, fluctuations in material availability and regional labor rates play a significant role in determining final estimates. Read more at trillroofing.com. Enjoyed this update? Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.